Kaushalya Global is a chain of preschools which employs a very special technology for creating highest possible IQ in the children in the first 6 years of their life. What you are seeing at the back of me is a report generated to measure the multiple intelligence of the children. The human brain has two hemispheres, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. And from the front to the back, there are 5 clear lobes on both the sides of the brain. The 5 lobes of the left brain are connected to 5 fingers of the right hand. The 5 lobes on the right brain are connected to 5 fingers of the left hand. Each lobe controls certain special talents. And if God gives a special talent to a child in any particular area, that lobe becomes stronger in health, and the finger connected to that lobe shows healthier fingerprints. If there is a weakness in the child, that particular lobe of the brain remains weaker, and the finger connected to that lobe shows weaker fingerprints. So we scan the fingerprints of the children and analyze this data in the software of the brain, and that generates this report. This report can tell you what is the strength in the child, what is the weakness in the child, what is the right developmental methodology to create highest possible IQ in this child. With this report as the starting point, we then employ a very special technology for whole brain development of the child to create maximum possible IQ in the child. As an evidence, I can tell you that an average 4-year-old child in our school can identify the flags of over 100 countries. He can tell you the capital, the language spoken, the currency of the country, world-renowned figures from that country, monuments of that country, mineral wealth of that country, system of governance of that country. All this information an average 4-year-old child can give you. If you visit our website, you will find a video of a 3.5-year-old girl of our school reciting the whole periodic table. That's the kind of intelligence you can actually generate in children if you do all the right things in the first 6 years of their life. And that is what the whole concept of Kaushalya Global is all about. In West Maradpalli and one in Bashir Bagh. And we are planning to expand to the whole of city by giving more franchises. Response to this, this is the first day. So we have just had the response coming from this morning. I think the response is quite good. It's beyond our expectations at the moment.